Hello everyone, today we're out here at the big jump spot. And yes, check it out. I have a budget RC, the Legendary Thunder. We're gonna give it a run out here and see if it's any good. It's the good stuff, gotta have it, even though it's 90 degrees outside currently. Still gonna have some coffee. Check it out, the Legendary Thunder. I do have the factory original, the one that came with it, the 2S pack in here. I am going to try it on a 3S here shortly, just to give a little comparison as to how it comes out of the box and what can we expect. So yeah, maybe you're asking, like, why this little RC? You know, I just got done running like the X-Max, the Sand Rail. You know, it's a very expensive RC. RCs in general have just gone crazy, even from companies we used to get lower price stuff from. This, I'm not even sure if they still make it. I think they might, I don't know. But I got this on the Amazon, like their Prime Day sale or whatever like that, and I think this was around $100, maybe $110. And I'm not sure if you caught it in there. This thing has a Hobby Wing ESC. You know, not the, you know, so I think it's the 120, and then we got what, a 3300 kV brushless motor. The parts alone, you know, you got some decent oil filled shocks. I mean, I don't, you know, this isn't obviously the most robust RC in the world, but, and there's the freaking gnats. I'm not sure if you could see them on camera, but it is, oh, they're so annoying. So now you know how goofy I look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Ooh, spicy on the brakes. You know what's cool too? I can't remember how much, but this thing had like some extra parts. Can't remember. I think control arms, maybe, and I might be confusing with something else. If you're really interested, go check out my review video. It's in the under review folders, but, and it comes with two bodies. That part I know. Let's see here. So I mean, for the money, this really is a heck of an RC. I mean, it's and the reason I'm doing this, like I said, you know, RCs have just gotten expensive. They've gotten crazy. I think some YouTubers have lost all sanity when they post these things. Dirt cheap RC, and it's $250 to $300. I'm sorry, but to me, that's not dirt cheap. Oh, yeah, that was a major fail. I don't think on 2S this thing's even going to begin to have the power to jump. But I still think, you know, 2S is pretty respectable. I mean, it's a decent car. Just does not have any kind of power to correct. So is it a jumping car? Nah. I mean, I remember doing a review and I jumped off the ramp. I think it did okay. I can't remember 100%, but I mean, look, our $100 car, Hobby Wing ESC, brushless motor. Let's go ahead and put the 3S in there, because without fans on that motor and stuff, I think this thing's gonna get hot. It's definitely gonna get hot on 3S. But I mean, you look at this thing run on 2S. It really is not. It's not a bad car at all. Guys, man, you know, I know maybe you're saving your pennies for a Max or a Creighton, something. I don't discourage you from getting what you want, but if it's going to keep you out of the hobby, maybe you consider something. Man, dude, I have 2 more cars I plan on running out here today in a different spot. And you can maybe hear that thunder. Thunder! Oh, boy, I hope that's not going to ruin my day out here. Let's go ahead and get this battery swapped. Oh, man, you guys know I hate body pins as it is. Oh. And now we gotta have body pins. Freaking battery. Don't like that, but it is what it is. Hopefully this thing won't slide around, go crazy. I don't even know if this thing's gonna fit now. Jeez. Guess I should have did my homework. And for the record, I've never run this on 3S. 1, 2, 3. I did try it before I came out here. I plugged it in and it was like, hey, it actually turned on and acknowledged it. So I charged that battery up. Woo, man, I'll tell you what. Woo, the roof of my car is absolutely hot. Hot, hot, hot. Woo! Oh yeah, look at that. Now we actually use that wheelie bar. Ooh. Wow, dude. A Laegendary just did a standing backflip. I don't even know why when I do that. I guess you can't call it a backflip because it didn't flip. I always get people say, that was a backflip. Oh, well, it flipped on the roof. Oh, man. Dude, that is, wow. Totally different car now. Dude, that's pretty freaking impressive. I would say if you're going to run on 3S, definitely put a fan in the motor. The nice thing with this car, another nice thing that I can't believe, it has a regular receiver. It's not a 2-in-1 ESC deal. It has a regular receiver, so you have the ports readily available to put a fan. Ooh. Yeah, the brakes are a bit touchy on this. Whoa, look at that, autocorrect. Hey, it's gonna take a little getting used to, but man, the little RC can do it. Hell yeah. You know, its problem is it doesn't have like the power of some other RCs to do like a lot of air correction, but it's doing it. Would I take it to a skate park and do that? No. Guys, man, landing on concrete's pretty tough. Dude, this thing's all right. Man. I'll tell you what, this is, I mean, out of the box. I mean, the only thing I did is I've got that Z 3-cell in here, and that's something I took from, I ran in the Omni Terminator. So I had it. Ooh. Well, I guess that's some good old durability testing there, because I sure never intended to land this thing like that hard. But yeah, it did just fine. So man, you know, that's the whole point of today's video, man. You don't have to go out there and spend a fortune to come out here and have fun in the hobby. And if you got somebody that's going to make fun of you because, oh, Laegendary, I got an Orb, I got Traxxas, they ain't your friends, man. You don't need them. You don't need them. But I would say, I think, for the most part, man, the community I found out here has been overwhelmingly supportive. I really don't think you're going to have any problems coming running an RC car, man. We all share this this love, this adventure. We kids, big kids, that little, maybe a childhood high. I don't know. I mean, I think a lot of us, like me, had these as a child, got out of it because of, you know, work, family, whatever. Like me, I went in the military, left all my cars home. Never even thought about the hobby until I went back and collected my cars. Ah, come on. Hey, there we go. But man, I'm having fun with it, man. Now as an old guy with back injury, I love it, man. I love seeing channels like Great Lakes RC. He's got some young kids that are into the hobby. I got another viewer, Aaron. Him and his daughter have some fun. They won the Tamiya grasshopper from me. I had that contest when I hit 10,000. They won that, and they've had some fun with that. So, man, it's great. Because, man, if we don't get the kids into it, who will? Oh, no. All right, everyone. Man, yeah, I've been running this thing on 3S for a while, too, man. It's freaking kicking. I hope it's still on Amazon. Dude, seriously, like, that thing, it just did that jump. That's freaking amazing. I had a hard time getting the damn Max to jump like that. Good. Uh-oh. I'm betting the battery connector came out because of the freaking dings. I almost guarantee it. That's another reason I don't like these Dean's connectors. I don't know. Oh, the switch came undone. So it probably bumped something. I gotta glue that switch back down. But guys, man, I just felt that motor. It is hot, 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 hot. Yeah, she probably in thermal. Because it is hot. But man, I am so impressed with the little Legendary Thunder. So it even has a cool blue body, which I'm glad I didn't put on here because look, I bent it. Hobby wing system, brushless. Even if you can't buy this, there are cars out there that can be had truly dirt cheap. You know, like I said, I think I paid $100 for this, maybe 110. It's a cool RC. I haven't utilized it very much because, you know, I have newer stuff and that, but stuff to review, you know, brand new stuff coming in all the time. So I actually got a lot of cars I haven't used in quite a while. But man, the Legendary Thunder, pretty cool. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching, man. You know, yeah, I feature something expensive like the Sandrail, but I also like to feature these inexpensive cars because I know not everybody has the money for it, and I want to see you get in the hobby. Enjoy and have some fun. So hope you enjoyed watching the Thunder jump, man. I mean, freaking truly am impressed. This budget little RC did so good out here. Granted, on the 2S that it comes with, 3S, if you can swing it, man, wakes it up. Do 3S and a fan, and you got a decent little car right there. Everyone, you know the deal. Links down below. Have your opportunities to shop and help the channel through AMAIN, Horizon Hobbies, Amazon. I have a Teespring store if you want to buy coffee cup, t-shirts, hoodies, things like that. So you walk around in style. All right, well, appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, spread the word. Let's help grow the channel so I can buy more RC cars and we can have these fun RC vehicle ventures, and hopefully I don't get rained on. I got 2 more cars I want to run before I wrap it up. It is Memorial Day weekend, so guys, let's remember, this isn't about me. I am a veteran in the United States Army, but this is about our brothers and sisters that never came home. Remember, as you're in the beach partying or grilling, having fun. There's families out there that are mourning because their brothers, their sisters, sons, daughters never came home to give us the freedom to come out here, enjoy this hobby, boat, swim, grill, do all that stuff. Man, they paid the ultimate price. So it's about remembering them. So take a moment, thank those families that live with that sacrifice every day. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. See you next one. Hello, everyone. Today we're out here at the Big Jump area, but we're in for something. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. We are here at the Big Jump area. It's the good stuff. Gotta have it.